Okay, bestie, stay calm. I'm here. I have coffee. I have ideas. I just got your text. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. I know it's last minute. I know you have a budget, but I have some ideas, okay? So let's sit down here. I've got a nice cozy blanket. I brought you a coffee too. And let's go over my ideas, okay? Deep breaths. Deep breaths, you got this. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, come on in. Pull up a seat. Got your coffee? Okay. Did you take some deep breaths? Monique is here. I am going to help you with your conundrum. You're down to the wire. You have a small budget, but you have a photographer in your life that you really want to get something cool for. I've put together something for you that you're going to enjoy. Let's recap. You need a last minute gift for a photographer under $30. Yeah, I've got a bunch for you. Oh my gosh. Okay. The first one is going to help so much with the behind the scenes and the social media. I can't tell you enough great things about this. I have one of these. Oh, this is a GoPro mount to go in the hot shoe of their camera. Yeah. So the GoPro clicks right in there and then it slides into the hot shoe so you can get POV, point of view, of taking the picture. So when you're out there on a photo shoot, when they're out there, right? They just click the record on the GoPro and it sees the lens of the camera and everything that's happening in front of it. They've got social media content. Oh my gosh, and look, it's less than $9. But if they don't have a GoPro, I mean, that's fine, there's a phone mount. Yeah, this cool contraption, it goes on top of the hot shoe also and clamps your phone in there. And there's kits that have like a little stand if they want it separate. Really, really awesome, invaluable, and something I wouldn't think of, honestly. If you can spring for the GoPro that goes with that, oh, you're in. Okay, next up, oh, I love this one, because maybe you don't want to get them any stuff, but you want to get them something meaningful. And most of us photographers, pet photographers especially, do a lot of volunteer work for causes that we love. So why not give a donation in their honor to celebrate them? Yeah, and I just put $20 here as a suggestion. You could put however much you want. All of the different causes have online options to do that too. And then you just make a nice certificate, roll it up, tie it, and give it to them as a gift. Wouldn't that be awesome? They would really, really appreciate that. This blew my mind. I have one very similar to this that I got as a gift a couple of years ago. Honestly, it might have been for my husband, but I stole it. And it has a special hook in my kitchen. I love this tool so much. I think it's called a wallet multi-tool, because it usually comes with a little sleeve. It's just the size of a credit card. And oh, it has so many cool things. There's lots of different renditions, but I love this for the sharp edge that you can open boxes with. You don't need to go find a dull, X-Acto knife type blade anymore. You just have this nice, thick, sturdy, rip open boxes thing. And of course, all the other stuff on here. Whoa. And these are priced all over the place. You can get one that has like a little money clip, all kinds of things. But this one is not even $10. This, they will not expect. They will not expect this, but they will absolutely love it. You like that one? Okay. I love that one. All right. Anyone who knows me knows my obsession with rocket books. These are rewritable notebooks. They come in so many different sizes and colors now. I have 3. I have the ones with the spirals down the side, but look, this one has it on the top. You just need to make sure you get a friction pen with it, which is these kind of erasable pens. So it's just like a notebook. You write in there, you can erase it with water, but before you erase it, if you want to save that note, there's a free app that goes with a rocket book, and it takes a perfect picture of JPEG, PDF, however you want to do that, and then you just tell it where you want to send it. There's all these different places you could say, I want it to send to this particular Dropbox, Google, email, so many cool things. I write all of my client notes on here. I have one at my desk, so I can just write a quick note if I get a phone call, if I'm on a live, whatever. This is always with me. And if it's a note I don't want to keep, just erase it and move on. You don't even need sticky notes anymore. I can go on and on about Rocketbooks, but look, it's totally in budget and they will never expect this. They're gonna love this. Yeah. Oh, okay, so here's the thing. As photographers, especially as pet photographers, we find ourselves on dirt roads. My car is a total mess right now because I took the scenic route and I went down 2 miles of a dirt road. And it's really gross. You have dogs in your car. You have your wagon in your car. One time, I had an unwrapped bale of hay in my car. That haunted me for years. Get a car wash, just a gift certificate to a car wash. My car wash, it's about 15 bucks for the kind of middle of the road car wash. You could spring for the kind where someone comes and details the inside of their car. I've done that once. Oh, it was luxurious. If you have a little bit bigger budget, the photographer in your life is going to be shocked that you did this. I don't care what kind of photographer you are or videographer, everybody needs a roll of gaff tape. Now, why gaff tape in particular? It's because it doesn't leave a sticky residue. So you can put it on someone's tile floor while you're at their house, maybe doing a photo shoot. You need to tape down your backdrop or something, and you pull it up and it won't leave a residue. So you can put it on your light stands, any kind of thing. It comes in different colors. Black is pretty basic and standard, and you can see it feels like $20 is a lot for a roll of tape, but this will last a very long time. Mine lasts at least a year, and there's different sizes. You can get mini rolls or regular size rolls. It's about the size of duct tape is what I usually have. There's so many uses for gaff tape. You just want to have it. All right, we're doing okay. Are we feeling better now? I've given you some ideas. All of these things are available Amazon Prime too, so you will get them pretty quickly. Yeah, okay. Oh, this one's really cool. I've had one of these for years and years and years and years, and you can always use more than one. This is a little waterproof container, a hard-sided container for your SD and your micro SD cards. And if they have more like CF Express cards, find one like that. But these are really inexpensive and really, really handy. It's kind of dangerous to have your cards just floating around in your camera bag or in a bag in your camera bag because they have the little pieces of metal on the back of them and you don't want those bent or destroyed. And it's also hard to keep track of the little plasticky things that they come with. No, get them one of these. Yeah, get them one of these and they can put all of their empties or full. Maybe they can have one for their used cards, one for their to be used cards, and they can label them or sticker them somehow. But this is super handy, very, very handy and a much appreciated accessory. This one is from experience, okay? As photographers, we have all kinds of things that plug in via USB at our desk for just our computer, but also for our camera gear. And having one of these USB strips is so, so valuable. There's a little bit bigger one, so this is in budget. There's one that has probably 10 ports. It's a little bit outside the $30 budget, but the last two are powered. So you can just leave a cord there. Like I have one, my cord can charge my keyboard, my mouse, my phone, a couple of different things. Or if you don't need power, then you could use the non-powered spots. Really, really handy because I feel like you always run out of USB ports, always. Yeah, and this would be super unexpected too. Yeah, okay. Oh, hey, look what just happened. There is now a Pro Pet Photog merch store on Spreadshop. Yeah, so you can get a coffee mug. If they're a pet photographer, and it says, I'm a Pro Pet Photog. But you can get a shirt, you can get a sticker, you can get a hoodie. There's so many things, but the cup is really affordable. Yeah, a little bit of shipping. They'll love it. Yeah, and look at the detail on the handle. So that's my thing, but I still think they would like it. Yeah. Okay, and then the last thing. Ready for this? Yes, it's a shameless plug, but it's very valuable and it would be very appreciated, I believe. For pet photographers, pro or aspiring, a membership to the newly opened 2023 Pet Photographers Community Center membership. Yeah. We begin classes in mid-January 2023, but there's going to be some bonus lessons coming out here in December too. And it's $29 a month, or there's a yearly plan. Check it out, okay? This will help support them all year long for just $29 a month. Yeah. Does that help? Do you feel better? Did you drink some coffee? Did you take some deep breaths? Okay, no more panicking. Okay, I got you, bestie. That was 10 ideas under $30, last minute gifts that you can get the photographer, pet photographer in your life. I really hope that helped you. Hope you have a great end of the year. If you need anything else, let me know. All right. Okay. See you later, bestie.